Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to share a BeReal post on your Snapchat. So let's get started by opening up our BeReal app. And then once it's loaded up, make sure you are on the My Friends tab right here. So click on that and then open up the post that you want to share, which in my case it's this one. So let's click on that one. You can also share a post from yesterday, for example, by going to your profile in the top right corner and then clicking on your memories right here. I don't have a post yesterday, so let's click on view all my memories, and then right here, for example, I have one, and then you can do the same steps from here. But I'm gonna use this one that I've just posted, so let's click on the post right here. And then we just click in the bottom left corner where it has the Snapchat icon. So click on that, then it'll load. And once it's loaded, it'll open up Snapchat. And there it'll load again, and there we go. Now it's loaded up the BeReal post. And it has also added this caption right here that says check my pictures on BeReal app, and it has your username on BeReal as well. And it also has a link attached to it right here, as you can see, a link to your BeReal post. So once you're done with customizing this, you can just click on next. And then you can choose who you want to send it to, or if you want to add it to your story. So click add to story and click on OK. And then once you're done, you can just click in the bottom right corner on this icon and just send it. And there we go, now it says added to story. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and comment down below if it worked. I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!